Welcome to my channel Anna's Tutorial. Today's topic is a biography writing. Sri Aurobindo. Sri Aurobindo was a great Indian nationalist leader, philosopher and spiritual teacher. Sri Aurobindo, also called Aurobindo Ghosh, was born on 15th August 1872 in Calcutta, India. His father sent him to England at a young age, where he studied at schools and Cambridge University and became very good in English and other European languages. After returning to India in 1893, he first worked in Baroda and then joined the Indian freedom movement against British rule. During the time of the Swadeshi movement and the partition of Bengal, he became a nationalist leader, edited the newspaper Bonde Mataram, and even went to jail in 1908 for his revolutionary activities. While in jail, Sri Aurobindo had deep spiritual experiences that changed his life and made him turn from politics to spirituality. In 1926, with the help of his spiritual collaborator Mira Alfasa, known as the Mother, he founded the Sri Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry, which became a center of spiritual practice for many disciples. He wrote many important books, including The Life Divine, The Synthesis of Yoga, and the epic poem Savitri, which explain his ideas about spiritual evolution and the purpose of human life. Sri Aurobindo spent the rest of his life in Pondicherry, guiding his disciples through letters and writings, and rarely appeared in public. He passed away on 5th December 1950 in Pondicherry, but his teachings on integral yoga and divine life continue to inspire people in India and around the world. Thanks for watching. Stay with me and like, share, subscribe.